Here in this session, we are going to observe a problem on design of FIR filter using Fourier series method. Here design an ideal high pass filter with a frequency response of HD of e power j omega is equal to 1 for 5 by 4 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to pi is equal to 0 for mod omega less than or equal to 5 by 4. Find the values of h of n for capital N is equal to 11. Find h of z and plot the magnitude response it is. Here now we are designing what? High pass FIR filter. Here by using Fourier series method it is. Here by that method we are determining transfer function of that high pass FIR filter it is. By using Fourier series method it is. Here the following are the steps to determine the h of z. H of z is what? Transfer function of high pass FIR filters it is. Here how to determine this h of z? We are determining this h of z by using Fourier series method it is. Here we are and also we are calculating the h of n for capital N is equal to 11. For causal filter means for high pass FIR filters we are determining the impulse response for capital N is equal to 11. After determining the impulse response we are determining the magnitude response. And for determining magnitude response, first we are determining the frequency response of FIR filter it is. We are determining it from the impulse response h of n for h of n of FIR filter it is. Here we are determining we are designing it by using Fourier series method. First, from the how we can design it one, the following steps are used to design the FIR filters using Fourier series method it is. Here from the HD of e power j omega, here in the first step HD of e power j omega is given. From that we are determining the HD of n. That HD of n is symmetrical about alpha is equal to 0 it is. This means HD of n satisfies what? The symmetry condition it is. Here means HD of n is equal to HD of minus n it is. HD of n is equal to HD of minus n. Here first of all that is the first step. First of all we are determining the first first step. We are observing the first step it is. Here HD of e power j omega is equal to what? We are representing it this HD of e power j omega in graphical form it is. Here HD of e power j omega is 1 5 by 4 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to pi. This means what? For positive values of omega and negative values of omega it is. Here means minus 5 by 4 to minus 5 HD of e power j omega is 1. Amplitude is 1 it is. Similarly for positive values of omega means 5 by 4 to pi. Here the amplitude is what? HD of e power j omega is 1 it is. And this HD of e power j omega is 0 for mod omega less than or equal to 5 by 4. This means what? Minus 5 by 4 to 5 by 4 HD of e power j omega is 0. This value is 0 in this interval. Here now we are determining the HD of n it is. Here how to determine the HD of n? Here from the frequency response, given frequency response it is. Here HD of n is the Fourier series quotient. How to calculate it one? HD of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi hd of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega it is. Here from the given definition, here we are breaking this integral into three integrals. Here one integral from minus 5 to pi minus pi by 4. Here one integral from minus pi to minus 5 by 4 hd of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega plus minus 5 by 4 to 5 by 4. Another integral what? Minus 5 by 4 to 5 by 4 hd of e power j omega is what in this interval? 0. Here I am not indicating that some integration it is. Here next, here another integration what? From 5 by 4 to plus 5 by 4 to 5 hd of e power j omega into e power j omega and d omega it is. Here now we are calculating hd of n. hd of n is equal to what? 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to minus pi by 4 hd of e power j omega is what? Minus 5 to minus 5 by 4 hd of e power j omega is 1 into e power j omega and d omega plus integral 5 by 4 to 5. Here 5 by 4 to pi. Here hd of e power j omega is what? 1 it is into e power j omega and d omega it is. Here now we are applying the integration of e power j omega n. Integration of e power j omega in what? With respect to omega it is. Here means e power j omega n by jn. Limits are what? Minus pi to minus pi by 4 plus the integration of e power j omega n with respect to omega it is e power j omega n by jn. Limits are what? Pi by 4 to pi it is. Here in these two terms common is what? Common term is what? Jn. Jn is the constant term I am taking out it is. Here 1 by 2 pi jn of. Here we are substituting limits. Here in this we are substituting the limits. First we are applying the upper limit. Here means in place of omega we are writing minus pi by 4 it is e power. First of all we are applying the upper limit, then the minus the lower limit it is. Here e power minus j5 by 4n minus the lower limit e power j omega minus pi means e power minus j pi n it is plus here also we are substituting the upper limit and the lower limit it is. First we are applying the upper limit. Here in place of omega we are writing pi and 5 by 4. First we are applying the upper limit e power j pi n minus e power j pi by 4 n it is. Here 1 by 2 pi jn of. Here first of all we are taking positive term e power j pi n. E power j pi n and next we are writing this term it is minus e power minus j pi n. Here in these two terms I am taking minus sign it is. Here after taking minus in this term, here it becomes positive minus of e power j pi by 4. Here in this we are taking minus sign means here minus into e power minus j 5 by 4 n it is. Here actually here we are taking this jn. Here we are dividing this term with what? 2j it is. Here we are taking this 2j we are dividing this 2j with these two terms it is of the form hd of n becomes like this it is. hd of n is equal to what? 1 by pi n of e power j pi n minus e power minus j pi n by 2j minus e power j 5 by 4n minus e power minus j 5 by 4n by 2j it is. Here which is equal to what? E power j theta minus e power minus j theta by 2j it is. Here which is equal to what? Sin theta. Here sin theta sin theta, theta is what? Phi n, sin pi n, 1 by pi n is same, it is here sin pi n minus this is equal to what? Sin, similar form it is sin 5 by 4 n it is. Here hd of n is equal to 1 by pi n of sin pi n minus sin 5 by 4 n it is. This hd of n is of infinite duration sequence it is. hd of n is infinite duration sequence. Here it is defined from what? Minus infinity less than or equal n less than or equal to infinity it is. Here now we are determining the we are truncating this hd of n to capital N samples it is. And what is the capital N value here? Capital N is equal to 11. Here we are truncating this hd of n to capital N samples. hd of n to capital N samples. Here actually hd of n is what? hd of n is the symmetrical impulse response it is. Here we are representing this means we are truncating this hd of n means the impulse response h of n is equal to what? hd of n for mod n less than or equal to 5. The remaining values it is 0. The remaining values it is 0. h of n is 0 it is. Here we are representing this h of n in terms of what? hd of n. Here in terms of, we are expressing it in terms of what? Capital N samples it is. Here means here h of n is symmetrical impulse response. It is symmetrical about what? N is equal to 0 it is. Here this impulse response satisfies the condition. So what is the condition? H of n is equal to h of minus n it is. Here actually this means what? H of n is equal to hd of n from n is ranging from what? Minus 5 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5 it is. Okay, from the symmetry of impulse response, here the impulse response satisfies the condition. Here actually this h of n is symmetrical about n is equal to 0. Here this impulse response satisfies the condition, symmetry condition. Here h of n is equal to h of minus n it is. Here h of n is equal to 1 by hd of n. Here hd of n is what? 1 by pi n sin pi n minus sin 5 by 4 n for mod n less than or equal to 5 is equal to 0. Otherwise, from this equation we are writing. Here now we are determining h of n corresponding to n is equal to minus 5 to 5 it is. Here first we are determining this h of n corresponding n is equal to 0. That is h of 0 is equal to, here we are multiplying these two terms with pi n it is, 1 by pi n it is, and then we are applying limit n tends to 0. h of 0 means we are substituting n tends to 0 in this term it is. Here limit n tends to 0 sin pi n by pi n minus sin 5 by 4 by pi n it is. Here we are multiplying it with 1 by 4 and dividing with 1 by 4. Here these two of the form. Here sin theta by theta, limit n tends to 0, limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta. Here its value is what? 1 it is. Here similarly minus, here this is of the form, same form, sin theta by limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta form it is. Here its value is what? 1. Its value is 1. 1 into 1 by 4 it is. Here means h of 0 is equal to what? 1 minus 1 by 4. Here which is equal to 0.75 it is. Here this impulse response is what? Symmetrical about n is equal to 0. Here means n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means what? Condition for impulse response is what? Symmetrical impulse response is what? H of n is equal to h of minus n it is. Here it means h of 1 is equal to what? H of minus 1. H of 1 is equal to h of minus 1 is equal to what? How to calculate it? 1 Simply substituting n is equal to 1 in this equation. Here h of 1 is equal to h of minus 1. That is equal to what? 1 by n pi. 1 pi it is. Into sin pi into 1 means sin pi minus sin 5 by 4 into 1 means sin 5 by 4 it is. Here its value is equal to minus 0.225 it is. Similarly n is equal to 2. Here h of 2 is equal to what? H of minus 2. Here that is equal to what? 1 by pi 2 means 2 pi. 1 by 2 pi sin 2 pi minus sin 5 by 4 into 2 means 2 means 5 sin 5 by 2 sin 2 pi minus sin 5 by 2. If this value is equal to what? Minus 0.159 it is. Similarly n is equal to 3. Substituting n is equal to 3 in this equation. Here h of 3 is equal to h of minus 3 is equal to what? 1 by 3 pi sin 3 pi minus sin 5 by 4 into 3 means sin 3 5 by 4. Here its value is equal to what? Minus 0.075. Similarly, we are determining h of 4 and h of 5 it is. Here n is equal to 4 it is. Here means h of 4 is equal to h of minus 4. Here that is equal to 1 by pi n. 1 by 4 pi sin pi n means sin 4 pi minus sin 5 by 4 n. N is 4 it is. Sin 4 pi by 4 it is. Here its value is equal to what? This value is equal to 0 it is. H of 4 is equal to h of minus 4 is equal to 0. Similarly n is equal to 5 means h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 is equal to 1 by pi n. Here n value is 5. 1 by 5 pi of sin pi n. Here n value is what? 5. Sin 5 pi minus sin 5 by 4 n. N is 5 it is. Means sin 5 by 4 it is. Here this value is equal to what? 0.045 it is. H of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 is equal to what? 0.045 it is. Here now we are determining the transfer function of the filter it is. Transfer function of the filter. Here in the first step we are determining HD of n. Simply h of n we are determining. Okay, symmetrical impulse response. This is our second step. This is the second step. In the second step we are truncating the HD of n to capital N samples it is. In the third step, this is our third step. In the third step we are determining the transfer function of non-causal filter it is. Transfer function of non-causal filter means h of n is what? Non-causal sequence it is. H of n is non-causal sequence. Here now we are determining transfer function of that filter it is. Transfer function of that filter. Here how to determine the transfer function of the filter? H of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2 h of n into z power minus n plus z power n it is. This is the third step. We are determining the transfer function of FIR filter using Fourier series method. This is the third step it is. Third step in Fourier series. Design of determination of H of Z. Determination of transfer function of FIR filter using Fourier series method. This is the third step. Here how to calculate H of Z by using this formula it is. Here h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Means capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 it is. Capital N is 11. 11 minus 1 by 2. Here 5 it is. H of n into z power minus n plus z power n it is. Here we are expanding this one it is. Here h of z is equal to h of 0 plus expanding this summation n is equal to 1 to 5 it is. Here first we are writing n is equal to 1. Here plus h of 1 into z power minus 1 plus z power 1 plus n is equal to 2. H of 2 z power minus 2 plus z power 2 plus n is equal to 3, h of 3 into z power minus 3 plus z power 3 plus h of 4, n is equal to 4, h of 4 into z power minus 4 plus z power 4 it is. Here n is equal to 5, h of 5 into z power minus 5 plus z power 5 it is. Here we are substituting h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5 in this equation. Already we are calculating. This is the non-causal sequence. Here n is equal to 0. H of 0 value what? H of 0 is, already we are calculating. What is the h of 0? H of 0 is 0.75 it is. H of 1 is minus 0.225. H of 2 is minus 0.159. H of 3 is minus 0.075 it is. H of 4 is 0. H of 4 is 0. H of 5 is 0.045. We are substituting those values in this equation it is. Here h of z is equal to, h of 0 value is 0.75 plus h of 1 is minus 0.225 into z power minus 1 plus z plus h of 2 value is what? Minus 0.159 z power minus 2 plus z power 2 plus h of 3 value is what? Minus 0.075 into z power minus 3 plus z power 3 plus h of 4 is 0 into z power minus 4 plus z power 4 plus h of 5 is what? 0.045 into z power minus 5 plus z power 5 it is. Here we are multiplying these terms, this term with minus 0.225, this term with minus 0.159, this term with minus 0.075. Here 0 into this one is 0. Similarly this is multiplied with these two terms. Here means here 0.75 minus 0.225 z power minus 1 minus plus into minus 0.225 z. Similarly plus into minus 0.159 into z power minus 2. Similarly plus into minus 0.159 z power 2. Similarly minus 0.075 into z power minus 3 plus into minus here minus 0.075 z power 3 0.045 z power minus 5 plus 0.045 z power 5 it is. This is the transfer function of non-causal filter it is. Non-causal filter. Here now physical realizable system. In the next step we are obtaining the physical realizable system. Means causal system we are obtaining it. How to obtain the causal system? Here means transfer function of high pass filter we are determining. High pass FIR filter it is. Here how to obtain it one? Means we are determining h dash of z. This is the fourth step it is. How to determine h dash of z? H dash of z is equal to what? Here to obtain a causal filter, to obtain causal filter we are multiplying this h of z with what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here h dash of z is equal to what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 into h of z. Here z power minus 5 into this value it is. Here I am writing it in proper order it is. This equation h of z in proper order here it is. Okay. Here we are multiplying this z power minus 5 with all these terms it is. First we are multiplying z power minus 1 with this term. Here z power minus 5 into z power this term is what? Z power 0.045 into z power 5, z power minus 5 into z power 5, z power 0. Z power 0 value is what? 1. Here means its value is what? 0.045 it is. Similarly, this z power minus 5 is multiplied with this term. Here minus 0.075, z power minus 5 into z power 3, z power minus 2 it is. Similarly, z power minus 5 is multiplied with this term. Its value is what? Minus 0.159. Z power minus 5 into z power 2, z power minus 3 it is. Similarly, z power minus 5 is multiplied with this term. Here minus 0.225. Here z power minus 5 into z power minus 4 it is, plus 0.75 into z power minus 5 is 0.75 z power minus 5 it is. Here then multiplying z power minus 5 with this term, here minus 0.225, here z power minus 5 into z power minus 1, z power minus 6 it is. Similarly, this z power minus 5 is multiplied with this term, means resulting value is what? Minus 0.159. Z power minus 5 into z power minus 2 means z power minus 7. Here similarly, this z power minus 5 is multiplied with this term. Resulting value is what? Minus 0.075. Here z power minus 5 into z power minus 3 means z power minus 8 it is, plus this term multiplying this z power minus 5 with this term it is. Here resulting value is what? 0.045 z power minus 5 into z power minus 5, z power minus 10 it is. Here actually this is the transfer function of FIR filter, high pass filter it is, high pass causal filter it is, causal filter. Here from this we are determining the impulse response it is. Here how we can determine impulse response? We are comparing this equation with what actually, what is the, how to determine the h dash of z? Summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity h of n into z power minus n it is. But it is defined from what? N is equal to 0 to 10 it is, positive values. N is equal to 0 to 10. Here remaining values it is 0. H of n is 0 it is. Okay. Here we are writing this summation in from what? N is equal to, from this we are observing n is equal to 0 to 10 it is. H of n into z power minus n. Here expanding this one, n is equal to 0 to 10, the equation like this it is. We are comparing this equation with this equation. From that we are observing the values it is. Impulse response h of n it is, this h of n. Here h of 0, observe the h of 0 and h of 10 values are same. H of 0 and h of 10 are same. That is equal to what? 0.045 it is, 0.045. Similarly, h of 1 and h of 9 values. H of 1 is 0, h of 9 is also 0. Here h of 1 is equal to h of 9 it is, that is equal to 0 it is. Similarly, h of 2 value is what? H of 2 and h of 8 values are same. Observe this one, h of 8, h of 2. That means z power minus 2 coefficient, z power minus 8 coefficient it is. Those coefficients are what? H of 2 and h of 8. H of 2 is equal to h of 8 is equal to what? Same, minus 0.075 it is. Similarly, comparing this equation, we get the values like this. It is h of 3 is equal to h of 7. H of 3 is equal to h of 7. Same value. That is equal to what? Minus 0.159 it is. Similarly, h of 4. H of 4 is equal to h of 6. H of 4 is equal to h of 6. That is equal to what? Minus 0.225. Here h of 5 is equal to what? 0.75 it is. Here observe this impulse response. Here the impulse response is what? If the impulse response is symmetrical about the fifth sample, it is symmetrical about h of phi, it is. Here means the impulse response is what? Symmetrical impulse response. From this we are determining impulse response for capital N is equal to 11, it is. Here in the problem we are determining, first we are determining h of z, then we are determining what? H of n. Okay, h of n is what? H of z is the causal filter transfer function. Here this is our causal filter transfer function. Here from this we are determining the impulse response for this capital N is equal to 11, it is. Here h of n is equal to what? Here this is our h of n. Here this impulse response is symmetrical about what? 0.75, it is. This h of 5 sample, it is. Okay, here means the impulse response is symmetrical about the fifth sample, it is. Symmetrical about the fifth sample means alpha, it is. Capital N minus 1 by 2, it is. That is fifth sample. Here the impulse response is symmetrical impulse response for capital N odd, it is. Here h of z, calculation of h of z is completed, h of n is completed. Next we are determining what? Magnitude response, it is. For high pass FIR filter, it is. Here the impulse response is what? Symmetrical impulse response. Capital N is equal to 11. Means capital N is what? Odd, it is. Here for obtaining magnitude response, first we are determining the frequency response of this impulse response. Means impulse response is what? Symmetrical impulse response. Capital N is what? Odd, it is. Capital N is equal to 11. For this case, how we can determine the frequency response? For symmetrical impulse response, capital N odd, how to determine the frequency response? Here h of e power j omega is equal to what? This is the formula to calculate the frequency response of symmetrical impulse response, capital N odd, it is. Here h of e power j omega is equal to e power minus j of capital N minus 1 by 2 omega of into summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n. Here which is equal to of the form, this is of the form e power j theta of omega into h bar of e power j omega, it is. Here we are comparing this equation with this equation, this one, it is. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n, it is. Here how to calculate the a naught value, it is. A of 0 value. Here for this case a of 0 is calculated by using this formula, it is h of capital N minus 1 by 2. Here how we can calculate the a of n value? Here this a of n value is calculated by using this formula, it is 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n, it is. Here first of all, before going to determine this h bar of e power j omega, we are determining a of n value corresponding n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Here capital N is what? 11, it is. 11 minus 1 by 2 means 5. Here first of all we are determining n is equal to 0 to 5. We are determining a of n value, it is. Means a of 0, n is equal to 0, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 values, it is. Okay, then we are representing h bar of e power j omega, n is equal to 0 to 5, it is. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? N is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Its value is 5. A of n into cos omega n. Here h bar of e power j omega, we are expanding this one. H bar of e power j omega is equal to what? A of 0 plus a of 1 cos omega, n is equal to 1. N is equal to 0, it is a of 0. Plus n is equal to 1. Cos 0 is 1, it is. Here n is equal to 1. A of 1 into cos omega, n is equal to 2 plus a of 2 cos 2 omega plus n is equal to 3, a of 3 cos 3 omega, n is equal to 4 plus a of 4 cos 4 omega plus n is equal to 5, a of 5 cos 5 omega, it is. Here now we are determining the a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 value it is. Here a of 0 is equal to what? How to calculate a of 0? H of capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5, means h of 5. Here already we are calculating the h of 5. What is the h of 5? H of 5 is equal to 0.75 it is. Here means a of 0 value is what? A of 0 is equal to 0.75 it is. Similarly, we are determining the a of 1. A of 1 is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n it is. Here n is equal to 1. Small n is equal to 1. Here 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5. 5 minus 1 means it is equal to 2 into h of 4. H of 4 value is what? Here 2 into h of 4 value is minus 0.225. Here a of 1 is equal to minus 0.45 it is. Multiplying this one with 2 it is. Similarly a of 2. 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus small n is 2 it is. Here 5 minus 2 means 3. 2 into h of 3 is equal to 2 into h of 3 value is what? Minus 0.159. Here this value is equal to what? Minus 0.318 it is. A of 2 is equal to. A of 3 is equal to what? What is the A of 3? A of 3 is equal to 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus 3. Small n value is 3 it is. Here is equal to 2 into h of 2. That is equal to 2 into h of 2 value is what? Minus 0.075 it is. Here this is equal to minus 0.15 it is. A of 3. Similarly, we are determining the A of 4. 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus 4 and small n value is 4. 2 into h of 1. 2 into h of 1 value is what? 0. Here a of 4 is 0. Similarly, a of 5 we are determining. N is equal to 5 it is. A of 5. Here 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is what? 5 minus n. Small n is 5 it is. Here 5 minus 5 it is 0. 2 into h of 0. H of 0 value is what? 0.045 it is. Here 2 into 0.45 value is what? 0.09 it is. A of 5 is equal to. Here now we are determining we are substituting a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 values in this equation. The equation becomes h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Directly I am writing. Here a of 0 is 0.75. A of 1 value is minus 0.45 into cos omega plus into minus minus 0.45 cos omega it is plus a of 2. A of 2 value is what? Minus 0.318 cos 2 omega plus into minus 0.318 cos 2 omega plus a of 3 value is what? Minus 0.15 cos 3 omega plus into minus 0.15 cos 3 omega it is plus a of 4 value is 0. 0 into cos 4 omega is 0 it is. Here I am not writing here 0 value it is. Here similarly a of 5 value. A of 5 value is what? 0.09 cos 5 omega it is. Cos 5 omega. Here now we are determining what? We are plotting what? Magnitude plot. Magnitude plot it is. Magnitude plot it is. Here means from the frequency response we are determining the magnitude plot. We are drawing the magnitude plot it is. Here what is this? What is the h of e power j omega? We are representing h of e power j omega like this it is. Here what is the magnitude of h of e power j omega? Magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega it is. magnitude of h bar of e power j omega. Here now we are determining magnitude of h of e power j omega in decibels it is. Here how to calculate it one? Here means already we are calculating h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Same value. We get the same value, it is h bar of e power j omega. Here square root of real part square plus imaginary part square it is. This is equal to what? Square root of real part square. Here this is our real part it is. The imaginary part for this case is what? H bar of e power j omega is what? 0 it is. Here square root of real part square. This is our real part. Here I am taking this is r. This is r. A square root get cancelled. We get the r value. Means this value it is. Here mod h of e power j omega is equal to this value it is. Here now we are determining this magnitude response in decibels it is. Here how we can determine it one? Decibel magnitude. Here decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? 20 log of h mod h of e power j omega it is. Here 20 log of mod h bar of e power j omega it is. Here which is equal to what? 20 log of 0.75 minus 0.45 cos omega minus 0.318 cos 2 omega minus 0.15 cos 3 omega plus 0.09 cos 5 omega. Here from this we are drawing the magnitude plot it is. Magnitude of h of e power j omega in decibels. Here corresponding to omega it is. Corresponding to omega values. Here for that purpose we are preparing the table like this it is. Here on one column, one row we are taking omega. This omega in degrees. Second column we are determining the decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here we are taking frequency omega in degrees it is. For every omega values we are calculating the decibel magnitude it is. For omega is equal to 0. Here we are substituting this omega is equal to 0 in this equation. Here decibel magnitude becomes minus 22 decibels it is. Here omega is equal to 0 here, here, and simplifying this equation we get this value it is. That value is equal to what? Minus 22 decibels it is. Similarly for remaining values we are calculating the decibel magnitude it is. And from this table we are drawing the magnitude plot. Here magnitude plot is what? It is the plot of what? Magnitude of h of e power j omega versus the frequency. Decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega versus omega it is. Here omega is equal to 0. Here what is the decibel magnitude? Minus 22 decibels. Here on y-axis we are taking decibel magnitude, and x-axis we are taking the frequency. In degrees it is. Frequency in degrees. Here omega is equal to 0 degrees. What is the decibel magnitude? Minus 22 decibels. This value is minus 22. Here similarly marking the decibel magnitudes corresponding to the frequencies it is, and join all those points by a smooth curve like this it is. Here this is the magnitude response of high pass filter it is. High pass filter by using Fourier series method it is.